Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a big spring haul from Revive Essential Oils. I have things in here that are new that I was really excited to see on the website, and then some things that I'm restocking on, and a couple of things that I'm going to use to make some spring videos. If you're not familiar with Revive Essential Oils, they're a great, affordable essential oil company that tests their oils 20 ways. They share their test results. They're very transparent in their education. They have everything. They check all of our boxes, especially the prices. And then they also have dupes. So if you are coming from one of the bigger companies, you can click on their website and they have comparisons to a lot of the singles and blends and products that you use from other companies. So at like half the price. First thing is Bugs Be Gone Natural Insect Repellent. This is DEET free. It has essential oils, citronella, lemongrass, rosemary, geranium, spearmint, thyme, clove. It also has vitamin E and sesame oil in it. I got this spray because it's easy. It's already made up. You just use it as is. But they also have a couple other products that are kind of related to this that you'll need to use and dilute. But this is Bugs Away. This is an essential oil blend. We've used this. We used it last year. It worked well. We just used it on spring break when we went. But this is in coconut oil. It's ylang ylang, cedar, nootka, litsea, catnip, which catnip essential oil is a big oil in repelling bugs and pests. Eucalyptus, it has vanilla, and then western red cedar. So a little bit of a different blend. And this one smells, pretty good too. So if you're worried about that, this one with the lemongrass, it just really smells a lot like, wait, was it lemongrass? Yeah, lemongrass and citronella being the top two actives. It's going to smell a lot like that. So if you don't like those two oils, like I'm not a huge fan of them, but if this is going to work, I'll use it. Just make a spray with Bugs Away. Anyways, the next one is Bee Balm. This is what this essential oil was in their spring box, which is kind of like a subscription type of thing. They have a seasonal box every spring, summer, fall, and winter, and this was in it. This is called Bee Balm. So I think I described this as being like a mix of geranium and like, I don't know, it's kind of like a woodsy floral, but kind of sharp. It's so similar to geranium. It has some of the same constituents, but this is really good in skincare and in making an after like an itch roller if you do get bit by bugs while you're out. And we made that and used it on spring break, and it worked really well. So get all of those because bug season is coming. All right, I got these. This is just a pack of 6 essential oil spray or empty spray bottles to make DIY type of products. So I'll probably make a bug spray in one of these. An after sun spray would be a good idea if you make your own like perfumes or just want something in an amber, like a plastic amber bottle. They have these really affordable on their website. So I got some of those to make some of the things I'm going to be making. And then these are essential oils. Oh, I bought sinus relief and I already have this. I just got it, I think, in their spring box. So this will go into my giveaway pile. So if you're not subscribed to my blog, I give away essential oils every week. I think we took a week off last week, but I'll put this in the pile and that will be up for grabs. If you can't figure out how to do that, I will put the link down below, but if you need help, just comment below. Spring Fling. This is an essential oil blend. This is lavender, bergamot, geranium, ylang ylang, lime, juniper berry, galbanum, and violet. Ooh, which I don't know if I've ever smelled violet. It's violet leaf oil. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that's light and fresh. It's really good in floral, but not overpowering being super floral. It has all those other notes. That smells really good. This would be good to diffuse while you're cleaning, to make to put into your cleaning, DIY cleaning products for spring. That smells really good and fresh. Clementine. I do not have clementine. I have all the other essential oil or citrus oils, but this one was one that I hadn't had. And citrus oils are great for spring. Oh, it smells very, very good. It's very tangy, like a clementine is versus an orange. A little bit more sweet and tangy. That smells really, really good and fresh. Also boosting your cleaning power, making like a DIY scrub or any kind of products you're using in the spring. Citrus and florals are my favorites. International lemon. This is just a different lemon that I don't have yet, so I got it to make some of my spring recipes. We go through a lot of lemon You can use it in cleaning products, laundry, sprays. It's a natural Goo Gone, so anything you want to get like a sticky residue off of. Oh, that smells really good. It's fresh. I will put down below, or a blog post always goes with my videos, so you can click through to read and shop and all of the things. But I'll put some recipes and more information about the international lemon and why it's called that and how it's different from other lemons. Next is jasmine. This is a great essential oil to use and make for different like perfume blends. And I have jasmine already like pre-diluted in a roller, but I've never had a bottle of jasmine or rose. It's just such a delicate smelling floral, very like luxurious. It smells really good. It's really good blended with a bunch of things too, like sandalwood, lavender, cedarwood. It smells really, really good. I got it to make some spring perfume. And then another essential oil that I've not had, and I'm really excited to try it. I want to see what their website says. Okay, so Rododendron is a beautiful floral essential oil, perfect addition to the Seasons oil collection. Soft and powdery, yet fresh and herbal with a slightly balsamic undertone is what their website says. So let's see what it smells like. It's kind of like a sweet floral. Balsamic is good, a good way to describe it. Soft and powdery, I can see like as it wears, but right off the nose, like just smelling it from the bottle, it is kind of bright balsamic. It's going to be good in a lot of blends. Okay, what is this? Oh, I must have just gotten all of the things. So I was sharing this earlier. This is the Bugs Away blend. I also got the spray, so you can just buy this as a spray. This is perfect because you can just use it. It's already pre-diluted, and like I said, it just smells different. So it's kind of like a smell preference, and just different oils work for different people. So if this one doesn't work, try the other, or vice versa. But this one is outdoor spray for aromatic and topical use. Before outdoor activity, spray desired areas with 1 to 2 sprays. For hard to reach or delicate areas, spray onto your hand and then rub onto area. Reapplication is suggested every 2 hours. So this one, like I said, just smells good. It smells like something I would just spray on and not be like so put off by it. Like citronella, when you're spraying this, you're like, okay, that's bug spray. Where the other one is just kind of a more balanced blend or scent aroma. Okay, these are 2 new products that I'm really excited about because I really need them right now. And so perfect for spring. This one is a scrub. This is a nourishing body scrub, lavender and sweet vanilla. And then they have a lotion to match it. But this is scoop a small amount onto your palm of your hand, gently massage onto your skin. We know how to use a scrub. Don't overuse scrubs. This is shea butter, coconut oil, sunflower, lavender, and cocoa seed butter, and then vanilla oil. Which vanilla is not an essential oil, but it's their vanilla, which I do have too, and is great for also for like spring perfume blends. It smells so good. I'm like so distracted. It smells very, very good. I'm really excited. So Plant Therapy tends to have more of these types of products, but they use fragrance. It's natural, and I trust and believe that it is natural, but it is fragrance. And so this only being vanilla and lavender, it smells really good. It looks like it's going to be kind of like a creamy whipped texture too, which is my favorite kind of scrub. I don't like when they're just kind of a little bit on the dry side. I like these. They tend to be more moisturizing. Okay, this is the lotion. It's in a glass bottle. Ooh, mine's kind of leaking out of the top just a little bit there, so watch that. But this is the Nourishing Body Lotion. Same, it has the lavender and vanilla. Let me just make sure ingredients are there. So it's aloe vera, shea butter, coconut oil, lavender essential oil, coconut jojoba, sodium benzoate, vanilla. Right, so no fragrance in this as well. Let's just get a quick smell. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm excited about these. I will try them and let you know how I like them, but I already know that they smell amazing. Restocked on fabric softener. For some reason, the fabric softener and laundry detergent are in 2 different sizes. So this is 50 loads. Maybe I'm just using too much of this, but I run out of the fabric softener before the detergent. So I just had to grab a new one of these. And then I also got some witch hazel to make some of my recipes. Witch hazel is a great like skincare additive when you're making different skincare recipes, or you can use it to make like your perfumes if you want to make it into a spray rather like a roll-on. So I got this. This is a really big size too, and also really affordable. I'll put all of the links and prices and everything down below. I don't want this to be too long, but let me know what questions you have, what you're excited about, if you have any of these. I think I'm most excited about these new products, but also for the new essential oils that I have to try. So clementine, rhododendron, jasmine. I love this to make perfumes. I'm going to do like a whole spring perfume video and some dupe videos. My girls and I have been working on some of those, testing out a couple of different ones to get them right. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I do have a coupon code to shop down below to save 10%. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.